The lion was faster than the wild dogs. It's over as fast as it started, although they are herbivores. But the African sable antelopes, in fact, are not an easy prey. Even lions treat the sable with caution and care when they try to hunt these huge African antelopes. When a lone lion, for example, attacks the giant sable, which is the largest in the four subspecies in terms of body size and the length of the horns, the success rate of this lion in hunting the giant sable antelope is almost non-existent. The wounds caused by the horns of this antelope may be fatal to those lions that trying to hunt this giant warrior antelope. The long, sharp sable antelope horns and his strong body are a huge challenge for the lions, and this injury may cause a permanent disability to the lions if they failed in hunting process. These sharp horns, that average of length 1.5 meters, hit the bodies of lions, such as the blade of a sword, which may cause serious wounds that cannot be recovered from it over the time. The same is true with the African wild dogs, despite their large number and the danger of their fangs and claws. But they cannot usually hunt an adult sable antelope. But wild dogs may sometimes be able to hunt a small or weak sable antelope. The wild dog strategy to hunt sable antelopes depends on the siege and stalking until the sable antelope is exhausted and made it surrender and fall to the ground before they devour it. But the healthy adult sable antelope can withstand front of attack the wild dog herd, who usually withdraw and leave them in the end after they are frustrated. Where inhabits wooded savanna in East and Southern Africa, from the south of Kenya to South Africa, with a separated population in Angola. And there are 4 subspecies that are included in this huge African type of antelope. The southern sable antelope, or what is known as a black sable antelope. The giant sable antelope, or what is known as the royal sable antelope, is the largest of the 4 subspecies in terms of size, body, and length of the horns. The Zambian sable antelope, or what is known as West Zambian sable antelope. The eastern sable antelope, or what is known as Shimba sable antelope, which is the smallest of the 4 subspecies. The sable antelope is brave to the point of recklessness, as it may attack animals larger than it, like rhinos, without hesitation, and force them to withdraw in front of it. All sable antelopes lives in wooded savannas in South and Eastern Africa. In general, sable antelopes are not weak animals. They are strong herbivores animals. They have strong defensive means and have a pair of sharp defensive horns, which may exceed 1.5 meters in length, in addition to strong bodies, hoofs that help them in defending themselves against the carnivores that usually attack them.